have a very interesting speaker joining in on the election trade, and from the other perspective, I would say the political perspective as well, because at the end of the day, that's the question, right? Are we going to get 400 paar or not? That's the expectation of the street. So I want to welcome Amitabh Tiwari, political strategist, to the conversation today. Amitabh, hi, good morning. Now, the market has been looking at the 400 plus figure, even though actually to run a government you need 273. But interestingly, this is a figure which has come back in the political narrative in the last 1 week. It's re-emerged in election rallies, etc. Now, the question is, how is 400 possible? What is that path to 400 looking like, and is it feasible? And you have a very interesting theory. So let's start with you sharing that with us.
Yeah, so this 400 number is not a mere slogan, because there is some working behind these numbers, and there is some method behind this madness, and there has been some detailed working on it perhaps. And this is what I called the RAM strategy, which is regain, attain and maintain, is the three-tier strategy which BJP has formulated to arrive at this mission 400 number. Whether it's feasible, possible or not, we'll have to wait for 4th of June to see. Now, this three-pillar strategy is regain, attain and maintain. So do we start with regain? Or
yes, let's start. Let's start with what is regain, attain and maintain.
Yeah, so regain. So if you see regain, BJP won 282 seats in 2014. It lost 35 of these seats in 2019. Of these 35, around 9 seats were reallocated to allies because you had JDU joining in Bihar, so it had to leave some seats. So that makes it 26, 35 minus 9. So there are 26 seats which it had won in 2014, but lost in 2019. So these are the seats which the party has strategized or wishes to regain. So this is the tier 1 or pillar 1 of the RAM strategy, which is regain.
What about attain and maintain?
Yeah. So attain is gaining. So attain has two aspects to it. One is the BJP was runner-up on 72 seats in 2019. On 39 of these seats, the victory margin was less than 10%. So 10% margin means that a 5% swing is required to turn these seats. -5 from the winner and 5% towards BJP. So if there is a 5% swing in favor of the BJP could win 39 of those seats. And 18 of these seats are common with the regain category. So there are 21 seats which BJP could win with a 5% swing in its favor, where it was runner-up in 2019. And then, of course, the second part of the attain strategy is that it has added allies in the south of India, like the TDP and the JDS, and they are contesting on some 22 odd seats, whereas in north, Jayant Chaudhary's RLD is contesting on 2 seats. SBSP also is a new ally which is contesting on 2 seats. So the attain strategy is to win seats where the party was runner-up and help allies also win seats where they have entered into new partnerships, basically in the south of India.
Maintain is the tough one, Amitabh, because as per your maintain theory, the BJP has to have 100% strike rate in all the seats they won in 2019. And that's the uphill task, isn't it?
Correct. So maintain is the most important or key aspect of this strategy. So it requires to maintain victory or ensure victory in these 303 seats where it had won in 2009. Interestingly, it won 224 seats with a vote share of more than 50%. So that's a huge margin on those seats. And almost 150 of those victories were against the Congress party. That gives some sort of a psychological edge to the BJP because of a better strike rate against the Congress party vis-a-vis the regional allies or the regional parties. And then the allies also need to maintain, because the allies also won around 44, 45 seats, largely in Bihar, Maharashtra, etc. And there, the allies would also need to have a strike rate of two-thirds, which is 67%. And this is the most important or key element of this Prabhu Ram strategy, which is regain, attain, and maintain.